Good morning, everyone. Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technologies welcomes you all. We are considered as one of the best institute in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar city. The presentation will cover importance of computer engineering and information technologies, what problems are solved by computer engineering and information technologies, programming languages in these fields, career in computer engineering and information technologies, and job options after the completion of CEIT course. First of all, let us know about the computer IT department. So the Department of Computer Engineering was established in the year 2014 and Department of Information Technology is established in the year 2021. The computer engineering program is a 4-year course and we have 120 intake. And for information technology, the program is of 4-year and the intake is 60 seats. Our department focuses on other co-curricular activities like conducting industry-oriented seminars and workshops, expert lectures, industrial visits, student faculty development programs, guidance of how to start your own business, etc. The main objective of our department is that each and every student should be able to pursue advanced studies in computer engineering on a competitive universal basis. Let us know about the faculties, and we have highly qualified faculties and lab technician. Okay, let us know about the importance of computer engineering and information technology. One of the most commonly used acronym in the world of education is IT, that is information technology. So information technology is the combination of hardware and software that is used to perform essential tasks on everyday basis, or we can say IT is the study which covers the use of computer systems, telecommunications, storing, accessing, analyzing and sending information. It also helps to build and grow the commerce and business sector and generate maximum possible output. Where computer engineers are responsible for designing and developing certain pieces of technologies that are used in every day. For example, from personal computers and desktop to smartphones and robotics. So, computer engineering basically focuses on solving problems and designing hardware and software interfaces, and it also gives you the foundational skills needed to pursue a career in coding or computer programming. And it gives you a good understanding of the theory behind the processes involved in creating computer programs and application, where information technology focuses mostly on troubleshooting issues on a software level. So it is the practical application of technology, and it also gives you the knowledge of managing the company's information technology infrastructure and assets. Okay, what are the problems do computer engineering and information technology solves? So basically, we solve day-to-day life problems very easily by evaluating, designing, and maintaining the computer hardware and software systems. Also, computer engineering and information technologies also helps to develop, test, and design computer processors, circuit boards, and network systems. Programming languages. So we have all these languages under computer engineering and information technologies, which are Python, Java, JavaScript, C and C++, Kotlin, C Sharp, iOS, PSP, .NET, and many more. Okay, let us know about the career in computer engineering information technologies. So, the employees of computer engineering and information technologies are considered as one of the most high paying jobs and is full of many opportunities. So, apart from uh, getting job in our field, we can get jobs in private and public industries, government departments, business organization, commercials, and the manufacturing sectors, etc. What are the job options after the completion of computer engineering and information technology? So the options are: you can become business analyst, database administrator, IT consultant, programmer, network engineer, IT trainer, designer, system developers, systems analyst, SEO specialist, and many more. So these are the list of companies for the placements. So our college students who are placed in these companies. As the computer engineering and information technology is very popular, so the employees of these fields are also considered as one of the most high paying employees. So in this, program managers gets the highest salary, then comes the project manager, tech architect. So these are the fields where we are getting the highest salary. Professional courses. Our college also provide professional courses like AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and also cloud computing professional courses. Our institute has MOU with Red Hat Academy, that is which is used for Linux courses. Technical workshops and expert lectures. So department jointly organize various workshops and expert lectures for students, and which are on advanced PHP, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Cisco networking, cloud computing, big data, IoT, artificial intelligence and machine learning, HTML, CSS, software testing, advanced web structures and seminars, and many more. We also conduct faculty development programs, which are on Oracle database design and programming with SQL, artificial intelligence and deep learning applications, data mining, AWS cloud computing, Internet of Things and its application, etc. We have also conducted industrial visits, that is industrial visit at ISRO, industrial visit at BISEC, industrial visit at NID, and last one, that is at Odoo Tiny ERP Gandhinagar with more than 70 students. We also conduct webinars, that is on Node.js, PHP, blockchain, Python, HTML5, CSS3. GTU Open Source Technologies Club. So basically, GTU has taken initiative to introduce OSTC for all the GTU affiliated colleges, and this club provides the knowledge about basic technologies and to understand the open source technologies which are available in the market. Events and achievement by our college. Industrial visits conducted at various industries and companies. Workshops and seminar at our college. distant learning programs. That is, we have also conducted the online classes during Corona 19. Thank you so much for listening.